Now we are going to generate the file where the tunnel section will be saved. From a CAD drawing, we are going to convert the tunnel section. We open the drawing, which contains a vault formed by 3 arches. We import the tunnel section from this drawing with the command Edit Tunnel Templates. We create a new template and select from the drawing the polyline that makes up our section. In the pop-up window, the template is defined, showing the name of the new one, S1. The horizontal distance from the geometric center, 0, the distance from the keystone, which is displayed graphically, and the horizontal distance from the ground grade, 0. It is also possible to define whether the super elevation makes the section tilt or whether it remains fixed. The template for this example has been defined. If more templates were necessary, we would repeat the process to add the different available templates to the list. We accept. Next, it is necessary to align the different templates to the alignment stations for their application along the path. We execute Tunnel Template Assignments and associate from initial to final station the different templates that will be applied. By default, the only one we have already defined appears assigned for the entire alignment. You have to take into account that the program interpolates between 2 contiguous templates, so this transition distance must be considered. Finally, we are going to draw the section of our tunnel using the Draw Tunnel command. In this projected tunnel section, we leave the entire length of the alignment from station 0 to the end. Draw a section every 10 meters. We activate Drawing Sections so that the longitudinal lines between the sections are drawn or a discretization of the section of 1 meter. We accept. In this case, both the corresponding tunnel sections and the 3D layout are represented. We now have a general view, and using the 3D Orbit command, we can visualize the result of the different sections and the layout. With this, we finish the definition of the tunnel project and its 3D representation.